Well, hi there, pluckers. Ivasaurfingers again with you. Thanks indeed for looking in on my important update. I'm due to the horrible COVID-19 virus, which is doing its rounds around the world at the moment and causing all sorts of lockdowns and such like. Obviously there are a lot of people with a lot of time on their hands, and one of the side effects of this is obviously my channel has become very busy. People have discovered their guitars and dusting off and looking for lessons to do, which is great, fine. But the side issue of it is obviously there are a huge amount of requests coming in, far more than I can cope with. I mean, I have problems coping with my normal load of lessons requests coming in on without the COVID-19 issue, and now it's just gone absolutely berserk. And I'm getting something like, 15 or 20 requests a day some days. It's just crazy. Times that by a week's worth, and I'm getting on nearly 100 requests a week, which, as you can see, is just physically impossible for me to do, even though I'm locked in, so to speak, with the virus situation. There's no way I can do it. So I've just got to ask people, please, can you resist the temptation to request lessons for the time being until I've got to the bottom of it, because the chances are I'm not going to get them done anyway. So I shall post another update when I'm in a state where I can take lessons again. Okay, so hopefully keep well and safe, people, and I shall keep posting. There'll be lessons going on most days, and when I've cleared it, the backlog, I shall let you know, and you can start posting again. Thanks very much anyway, and I'll see you around. Bye for now.